Hello everyone, my name is Priya Johan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here we have another series of WILP Experience where we have our another friend which is senior to me and her name is Deepika Sange. Tell me if I am pronouncing your name correct or not.
Yeah, Priya, it's Deepika Sanger.
Okay, Deepika Sanger. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so in today's video, she will be sharing her genuine experience and reviews about the WILP program in Wipro. And let's start with her introduction. So, Deepika, over to you.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I am Deepika, and I have 5 years of working experience in Wipro. So, first of all, I just want to appreciate Priya that she is taking this initiative to share these many details and experience of seniors to the freshers and to the people who are planning to join Wipro in this particular WILP program. So I'll share my educational background. So I completed my BSc from mathematics from Delhi University in 2016. So I passed out in 2016, and in 2017 I got offer letter from Wipro to join the WILP program. So of course, at a newbie, I mean, as being a newbie, I got so much confused at that time whether I should opt this opportunity or not, because at the time I could choose doing masters like MSc, but then I thought, like, it's a very great opportunity where you will get to learn and work together in one environment. You can learn and work together. So I thought, okay, at this age I would earn my bread also, I will learn also, and I will I will have a work experience in a very giant company after 5 years, after 4 or 5 years. So that's the reason I opted this particular program, and I joined in 2017 March. So after 4 years in 2021, in 2021 March, I completed my Vista program. I got converted and I got a designation of senior project engineer, and still I'm in Wipro itself. And it's been a long journey for me, for everyone, I guess, because 5 years is a lot of time you have to invest for this program. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very great. And I think it took a lot of courage to complete that much 5 long years with like learning also and along with your working in project environment also.
Yes, this is a very long period, so you will, I mean, you should be very very patient about it. You should
Yeah.
have you should have your patience level, and you should have that fire of learning the things. You should have that potential.
So, Deepika, my another question is like student ask generally like there are so many students asking this question like how do I manage or you manage studies along with the project work? So was it not like challenging to you for you to work also and to continue your masters also, and that too is not like a simple masters will be that will be completing in 2 years. It is a program of a 4 years. So what are your thoughts about that?
Yes, Priya, this is a very good question. uh, Being in a program of such a long period, yes, of course it is very challenging to complete all the things all together. See, from Monday to Friday working, and on weekends you have the class, so you are fully packed. But what happens is, from the 2 weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, only one day you will have the class. Okay, that is from 9 to 6, the whole day. you have to spend in the class. And if you spend your your focus, if you apply your full focus in attending the classes, then there is no difficulty in attempting the exams, semester exams. And for reading, you have to take out some time from here and there. You have to manage your time. And the people who are working in projects, and they have a very very high workload, so what they can do, like they should ask their managers, for example, in their exam time, they can get 2 hours early. I mean, they can log off 2 hours early so that they can spare some time for
Yeah.
their studies. So these many personal, because see, you are at a place where you have to do all the things by your own. So you have to make out the way yourself, like how will you study, when will you study, how you should manage the time, how you should balance between your work and studies. So all the things you have to manage. Everyone like you have only 24 hours. It depends on you how you are, how you are using your those 24 hours. So it totally depends on you when you will study. But yes, if you are focusing in your weekend classes, then it is very 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 easy to write in the exams. You will not work that much harder. So apply your focus on your weekend classes. Try to grab the fundamental concepts, and that's not that difficult then, as I believe, because I'm telling you with my personal experience that focusing in your class and maintaining the attendance is very, very, very important.
I think that answer is gonna help so many students out there that have the same or similar questions like this. Yeah, thank you for that. And like another question that comes to my mind, or maybe many students out there, that they think that they are the special ones who have to do this learning while earning. So they have also this kind of thing in their mind that we are working also. So how we will manage the learning also, the exams also, we have assignments also. So, what are your thoughts about that?
Uh, my thought is, as I told you, like everyone has 24 hours. Okay. And if you have opted this opportunity, like joining in WILP program, you have opted this, right? You are not influenced by anyone or anything else. You yourself opted this particular opportunity. Then it's your responsibility that you are balancing each and everything. And you are at a place now. You are at a place where you are a candidate of WILP program. So it's completely your responsibility that how you are making your time out of your project work. And
Yes.
let me tell you my personal experience, my honest review. It's a lot of fun, joining those weekend classes with your friends. Due to this COVID situation, students are now attending the classes from online session. But because I have just converted this year, so I have attended my classes physically in the campus. So it's been a lot of fun being there.
Yeah,
This is the way.
correct. And what about the designation we have in world program and after completion of the world program?
Yeah. See, from the joining to your conversion period, okay, you will be as a student computer application. Okay.
Correct.
But after that, when you get converted, but after 4 years, you will directly promote senior project engineer.
That's very great.
So yeah, so that is the difference between designation at the time of joining and after the uh, conversion.
Okay, that's very great. Like our designation will also change once we complete our masters or our world program.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, Deepika. So tell me, what is your current role in your project?
So my role in my current project is Azure Data Engineer.
So Deepika, I remember you told in the beginning that you started like you were trained in testing and you were also working in testing. So like how is that change from a testing to a Azure data engineer? That is really a like big, a huge post I can say. So how is that a journey conversion? Yeah.
Yeah. So Priya, I'll tell you my journey. So I started as a test engineer, then to a manual test engineer. So I used to perform manual testing in my project. Uh, in starting, okay, until 1 year, I continued the same. Then I thought like I should upgrade myself. I should learn something new. I should learn because this manual testing has obviously has no future. Okay, so I started. I started learning automation testing, and for that I started with Java because Java is the language which is used in Selenium, the testing tool, automation testing tool. Okay, then I started learning, and after that, what happened with me? From this point, my journey got completely changed. I got a severe disease in between of my this Vista journey, and after that, almost my 1.5 to 2 years got spoiled. I didn't I worked in manual testing projects only, but for 2 months or 3 months, I frequently changed so many projects because of my leaves, my medical leaves and all. So after that, when I found that the things are not working here, so what I thought, I should, you know, go in a different domain. From somewhere I got to know about data science. This data science, machine learning, these are very fancy words in today's time. So I got to know about that. So I found out somewhere like this data scientist and this ML, machine learning, these things have some mathematical or statistics touch, and I belong to a mathematics background, so I found it quite interesting. So for that, I started learning Python first. Okay. So after Python, I, slowly I got deeper in data science. I learned few algorithms in machine learning also. Then I got introduced to cloud. What is cloud and how the things are working here. I started learning Azure. Okay. And I found it very, very, very interesting. And after that, I continued my learning side by side, and I got certification also from Microsoft. I showcased those certification, and on that basis I got a project where I got this particular role of data engineer. So this is my journey.
That's very challenging, and you yet instead of sickness, and you took as a challenge, and you managed to uh, pass that journey and to be converted to Azure data engineer. I think that is a big challenge, and you tackled that challenge also. So that's very very great.
Yeah, for that
Yeah.
I just want to thank Wipro and all my managers and my coordinator and faculty, because seriously that time was so difficult for me. At a particular, there was a time where it was like I was having a thought, maybe I have to drop this Wipro, I have to drop this program. There was a time, but slowly, with the support from different managers and my HR, faculty, everyone, because I had a valid proof. I had a medical certificate that have this particular problem. So they supported me, and faculties also supported me. I gave exams, with the. I gave my. I written. I wrote my exams after one semester also. So I really want to thank Wipro seriously, because if I would not have chosen Wipro, then today I will not be MTech, or I will not be a data engineer.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. Is there a chance to make a switch to Amazon or Google or any product-based companies like Fang, which comes in Fang, like after completing this bulk program? Is there a chance?
See, for this question, it depends on person to person. Okay, it is not written or it is not in Wipro's policy that after completing this particular program, you will get recruited in a product based company like Google or Facebook or anything. It is not written anywhere. It is you, like how you are making your way out of it, how you are, spending your time in learning technology. Your fundamental concept should be very clear, and your dedication for your technology, for your skill. And first of all, you should have a right project to work. If you are
Correct.
working in a good project where you are getting your hands dirty in a particular skill and you are master in that skill, you are very dedicated person, you have a goal to achieve recruitment in such kind of companies, then of course yes, you can make a switch to such companies, because nothing is impossible. It is you and only you. You have to fight for yourself. You have to make your dreams fulfill. This is only you. So yeah.
Correct. Yeah, absolutely correct. My last question for today's video is, what are your suggestions to the freshers who have newly joined Wipro as like in the WILP program?
Yeah. So for the freshers who have recently joined Wipro and maybe who are in training phase or got the project, so the same thing as I discussed before. First, you have to make a decision in which technology you want to go. Okay, it in which technology you want to make your future. So you have to decide that first. Okay, work on your skills and upgrade yourself, of course.
Okay, that's very nice, Deepika, and thank you for taking out your time for this YouTube platform and for sharing your journey that gonna help a lot more WILP students who have newly joined Wipro and who are planning to join this WILP program. So thanks a lot.
Thanks to you, Priya, because you are the medium from which I'm able to share my experience to the person who are freshers or who are planning to join Wipro. So great thanks to you. So I would seriously, I would appreciate you a lot, and I will say all the best. And you continue this kind of work so that people get help from these videos. So that's a very good work. Keep it up.
Thank you. So she was Deepika Sangher and who is currently working in Wipro Limited as a senior project engineer because she has completed her work program in Wipro and an Azure Data Engineer when it comes to role in her project and when it comes to technology she is working on. Such a great journey from a manual tester to an Azure Data Engineer. So if you like this video and if you think that this content provided some value to your feed, then hit like and comment in the YouTube comment section. And also share this video to your friends so that it can help them. And also I have given the link to apply for WILP 2.0, which is quite different and with more benefits than the previous version of WILP. So link in the description below. Apply to that link before or on 7th Feb 2022. And at last, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get every update when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.